guys, I am so excited to be filming this video. This is my skincare routine and it's been long awaited, a few weeks. I posted this photo here on my Instagram and I got a crazy response about how quickly I cleared up my acne scarring. If you guys know, I have very acne prone skin and I've been really struggling with acne, I would say the last like year to 2 years, probably a year and a half. Always had pretty bad skin, you know, breakouts, pimples, but the last year and a half has been like really I just really struggled with my skin, and I am so happy to report that I not only cleared up my acne, but I also cleared up most of my scarring, which is just so incredible. These products have honestly changed my life. I really thought that I could clear up my acne with like internally. I thought that, you know, just by eating the right things and like doing all that stuff, I would have been able to clear it up, but it was really the products that changed my life. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna try to stop touching my hair. I know you guys don't like that. It was really the products that changed my life, and I really can't believe that. If I'm wearing a ton of makeup, I use this Thayer's Witch Hazel, is that what it's called? Witch Hazel toner, and I put it on a little pad and I wipe the makeup off. I need to get reusable cotton pads. That's something I definitely need. The Witch Hazel, I just use this to take off like the majority of the makeup, and then I wasn't wearing makeup in this video, so I just wanted to note that that's how I take off when I'm wearing like a full glam. Sometimes I use wipes too. I get a lot of products sent to me, so I usually just use something to like take off the majority of the makeup. But I would actually really love your recommendations for reusable cotton pads. If you have any that you love, please let me know, because why create waste when you don't have to? I actually haven't bought reusable because I still have a bag of ones from Muji down there that I just haven't gotten through. So once I'm done with those, reusable cotton pads is what I'll buy next. I'm also sitting in Joey's bathroom. This is Joey's bathroom, because I do my skincare in here, and I didn't want to take all the products upstairs. That's why I'm sitting on the floor in a bath. So I first wash my face with the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It's really nice, it's super gentle. I wash up my eye makeup and my makeup with this. Just a really great gentle cleanser. I love it. It's like my third bottle of that. I like the CeraVe cleanser as well, if you're looking for something very similar. CeraVe, the hydrating cleanser. The next thing I do is wash my face with Benzogel, which is a 5% benzoyl peroxide treatment, and I only wash this in the areas that I get acne, so cheeks, jawline, chin area. I don't put this around my eyes, it burns, and I don't put it on my forehead because I don't ever break out on my forehead. So that. I next use the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I just put this on my hands and pat it on my face. It's really nice, it's super hydrating. The next thing I use is the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence, and this is anti-pollution and age delay. I use those both day and night. Then I'm using a hyaluronic acid, and this is the L'Oreal Revitalift. I don't know if this is out yet, but it's 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid, which they said was the highest on the market at this moment. And then I go in the daytime, I go in with my vitamin C serum. This is the one from Glossier I really like. I also like the Dermalogica Biolumin C, but I know the Glossier one is way cheaper. And then I go in with my anti-scarring products. These products are freaking incredible. This is the SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense. I love this product. It's super amazing. It's a daily serum. I actually use this day and night. I don't know if it says to use it day and night, but I use it day and night. Haven't had any problems. And then the next thing I do is I use the SkinCeuticals Corrector. Oh, this is in French. Advanced Skin Discoloration Corrector. This is more of a cream, and I just put it in the areas that I have acne scarring, and those products have really worked. For eyes, I am using the Black Tea Firming Eye Serum by Fresh, and I'm also using the Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate together. They've been great. For lotion, I sometimes switch it up, but right now I'm using the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. If you watch my vlogs, I got a huge box of Fresh products. That's why most of my products are Fresh right now. And then that is my skincare routine. I'm also, I guess I just want to note, I'm also using a retinol. I'm just using it once a week. I was using it twice a week. I think it was a little too much for me, so I'm using it just once a week now, and it's been great. This is the SkinCeuticals one, and it's 0.3%. I just use it at night. I use it once a week, and when on those days I don't use like any other products. I just use the retinol and some moisturizer. Another product from SkinCeuticals is this epidermal repair, and I use this when I do have a pimple and I popped it or picked it and it's just like an open wound. I use this and it really helps heal up that open cut area way quicker, way faster. Whatever. Another product that I need to talk about, I use this every day, and it's the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. I use this every day as my sunscreen and my color corrector, and I love it. It's amazing. I've talked about it so many times. So this has SPF 30 in it. Yeah, SPF 30, and I love it. So I want to talk about the products that I'm absolutely married to and why, and then I'll talk about the other products, but I want to just run through my skincare routine with you. Products that like I literally cannot live without. First one being Benzogel. This is the product that I was breaking out. I was going to Paris, and I knew that benzoyl peroxide worked on my skin, and I don't know why I hadn't tried it in the past, but I knew it worked on my skin. So I just went to the drugstore and I found the like, I just was like, I need a product with benzoyl peroxide in it. This was it. It's Benzogel. It has 5% benzoyl peroxide. And it's worked like within 3 days. My skin was clearing up. It's so incredible. This is a Canadian company, so I'm not sure if it sells in the States, but a great dupe for this is Proactiv. I used Proactiv all of high school. That's how I knew that benzoyl peroxide works for my skin. So the Proactiv has, I think, 2.5% benzoyl peroxide in it, and it worked for me throughout high school. So I highly recommend you give this a try if you can't find Benzogel. Very good, like so good actually. I know like Kendall Jenner got like so much shit for doing a Proactiv ad, but let me tell you, like, it actually really works. And benzoyl peroxide, like, so it works on my skin, and I have looked at her acne and it looks like we had very similar acne. So I totally understand why it works for her. Because my skin cleared up like literally within 3 days. It was just insane. It was so insane. So very married to that product. I am also I'm very married to my SkinCeuticals product. These products, I mean, did I just spit out a bubble? These two products, the SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense and the SkinCeuticals Advanced Skin Discoloration Corrector, together, I am not exaggerating to say I cleared up my acne scarring in 3 months. Like, I mean, it's still a little bit there, but like 3 months, it was like life-changing. I've also heard the Vichy color corrector is really good. Might be worth a try with this stuff, because I know this stuff is pricey, but like this isn't as pricey as a facial. In these 3 months that I have cleared up my acne and my scarring, I have not gotten a facial. I haven't had any professional things done on my face. It has only been products that I've bought. So, I mean, in the end, this is cheaper than a facial. You get this and you get to use it for, these lasted me 3 months. I took the first photo the day I started using this, and the last photo the day that I ended these are new bottles, but my old bottles. So 1 bottle of these cleared up my scarring, which is insane. So I'm using another bottle because I still have some that, just a few little spots that I'm trying to get rid of. I also just had a pimple before my period. I still get like the occasional pimple before my period. It's like, I just don't want it to leave a mark. So I'm using that stuff, and I love. So very married to that. I am very married to my Dr. Jart. I've talked about it. I don't think I need to talk about it again. I love this stuff. And then for spot treatment, I use the Benzogel spot treatment. I really liked it. But I think what's really important to remember is that it's really hard to start getting rid of your scarring if you're still breaking out. It's hard to focus on so many things in your skin. So what I did is like, I just really focused on getting my acne under control. That was the only thing I cared about. So while I was getting my acne under control, I literally like would wash my face, get my makeup off. I would use Benzogel, and then I would use lotion, and then an eye cream, a spot treatment, and that was it until my acne was under control. And then I started to slowly incorporate new products back to my routine until like just one by one. But you have to get your acne under control if you want to clear up your scarring, because it's really hard to do both, because you're clearing up your scarring and then you get a new pimple and then that leaves a scar. I know, I'm with you. I know how hard it is to clear up your skin. Like I really get it, and it's so frustrating, and it's so like draining, and it's heavy on your self-esteem. So like I totally get it. And then once you have your acne under control, you can start focusing on your acne scarring. So again, I was using, what I would do is I would use my soy face cleanser, then I'd use my Benzogel, and then I would use these 2 products and a face lotion and eye cream and go to bed, and that was it, or whatever. I was just using the only products that I needed. I am not stopping using this because I think this is keeping my skin under control. And then I added these 2 products into my routine, and then I got my acne scarring under control. And then I got to add like some fun products, you know, like my hydration and my essence and all that stuff. But I just started incorporating those slowly to not freak my skin out. And then, you know, now I'm using my retinol and stuff. But yeah, that's my skincare routine. I kind of know I jumped back and forth a bit, but these products, these 3 products have been so life-changing for me. I can't thank them enough. But really everything else I really like. I really like my skincare routine right now. I like all the products, but I'm not like so obsessed with them that I'm probably gonna repurchase. I have a whole box of skincare upstairs and I'll probably just move on to the next, you know, lotion. But this is a really beautiful face lotion. It just feels really nice. It's super hydrating, it's super moisturizing. It smells really nice, not overbearing. It doesn't make me feel greasy in the morning or anything, so I love that. I think the Glossier Vitamin C is really nice, but the Biolumin C I think is better. But this is definitely just more affordable. And then I've been really liking the hyaluronic acid. It's a nice product. Again, I don't know if it's on the market yet. And then this epidermal repair is like if you're picking at your face, pretty much. So yeah, that's my skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy that we got this done. I'm so happy that my skin is looking good. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for staying on my skincare journey with me. I'm not planning on removing those 3 products from my skincare anytime soon. This all other stuff will change, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Peace and love. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. That's it. Bye.